my name is Pragati Mittal.
Hi, I am Rupali.
My name is Tanna Gupta.
Hello everyone, my name is Mahima Agarwal.
Hello everyone, I am Sanchita Gupta.
Hello everyone, I'm Anshul Sinha.
Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi Sharma.
Hello everyone, my name is Akansha Yadav.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great and absolutely fine. My name is Suraj.
Hi everyone, my name is Ashima Mehta.
Hello, my name is Sakshawati.
And I am student of IBMR Business School, Gurugram, and currently I am pursuing MBA from here, and I am shooting this video to know about the college and the internship opportunities. Guys, it's been a wonderful experience for me, and as you know that it's a tough situation for all of us that we have facing right now, but still our college provides lot of knowledge and skills virtually. Guys, recently I have worked with the leading company, that is the 10 Heart Private Limited company, which is basically a live project, and I got certificate in the sales and marketing. I learned how real world works, and currently I am working with the Beach Group Solution as a summer intern, and I learned how market works, how really market works, and also our college provides lot of weekly assignments and arrange Zoom session for us so that we clear all our doubt and we build our confidence. So guys, I would like to thank all the faculty and the respective teachers that they always support us, and I must say that I am the proud student of IBMR. Thank you.
And I am pursuing MBA from IBMR Gurgaon, that is Institute of Business Management and Research. And coming from Delhi was a tough choice, but now I'm liking each and every bit of being a part of IBMR virtually also. During this pandemic where everyone was locked in their houses, IBMR gives us many opportunities to prove ourselves, to develop our personalities and skills. Like we were engaged in admin activities, extempore, various personality development sessions, and summer internship program, and many more. If I talk about my summer internship program, firstly I would like to thank IBMR for giving me this wonderful opportunity, as I am doing my internship at Outlook Group of Magazines, which is a very reputed brand of magazines. And if I talk about my faculty members, the IBMR is a college where we get the best support from the faculty members. All the faculty members are highly qualified and experienced. Even in this situation where we can't attend our physical classes, the teachers of IBMR has taught us in a manner that we learned a lot from them, and we enjoyed learning from them. They always motivate us. They always motivate us to do better. If I talk about the infrastructure, the IBMR's infrastructure is really good. All the classrooms are well equipped and furnished. The campus is really good. And lastly, I would like to thank IBMR for giving me this wonderful learning, and I would like to say that IBMR is a great place to start your journey in the field of management. Thank you very much.
I am from Firozabad. Currently, I am pursuing PGDM from IBMR Gurgaon, major in finance, and I am holding a bachelor degree in BBA from MDU University and completed my schooling from CBSE board. During the second semester of PGDM, I did an internship in Institute Private Limited, and my job responsibilities was to maintain the portfolio of the clients. And during the on-campus placement, I got an opportunity to interview with Nirvana Solutions, headquartered in New York. It is a financial technology-based company which provides real-time portfolio management solutions, consulting and services to investment managers. And with my hard work and determination, and by the guidance of our placement officer, I go through all the rounds of interviews and successfully cleared all of them. And now I am placed in Nirvana Solutions and will be working as a financial analyst, and my job responsibilities would be to prepare the reconciliation with the administrator trades and non-trades, and provides the solutions for the trade related issues and prepare the customized reports for the clients. I would like to thank IBMR for giving me such a great opportunity, and and now I'm going to start my corporate career ahead. Thank you.
I am an MBA student pursuing my specialization in finance from IBMR Sector 33, Gurgaon. If I talk about IBMR, initially I was very confused of where to go and what to do. But here in IBMR, with the right guidance of our counselors, I got my admission very easy. And as we all know that we are dealing with this global pandemic situation. So to cope up with this, our classes were organized virtually and it was very easy for us to study. Even after our exams, we have a lot of opportunities coming in our way for our summer internship program. Companies like Bridge Solutions are helping us to work from home and earn at the same time. So, here I take this opportunity to thank our management and our placement head to provide us the best of the opportunities.
Currently, I am pursuing MBA from IBMR Gurgaon. Being the student of the first year, I have got an opportunity to work as an intern with a firm named Inspire Consultancy. Thank you IBMR for providing me with such a great opportunity in just the first year of my MBA. I am so grateful for it. IBMR makes sure these students get the proper practical exposure and they provide us with ample of opportunities. The faculty here are so supportive and they guide us throughout the journey. IBMR makes sure the students' learning won't stop during this pandemic. They provide us with the weekly assignments so that the learning of the students won't stop. In the starting of the pandemic, I was so worried about my career, but with the IBMR, I am going good. Thank you IBMR. Stay home, be safe, and keep going.
A student of IBMR Business School Gurugram, and currently I am pursuing MBA first semester from IBMR College. IBMR gives us lot of opportunities to explore many things in different fields. Like we get a chance to learn new foreign language as well as a few seminars regarding computer related. For example, we get a training session also to learn SAP, ERP as well, and many more also. And recently I get a chance to do internship with a leading brand of magazine company, that is Outlook Group. In fact, I am very happy to be a part of IBMR College, as well as I am very thankful of our teachers, faculty members and complete whole management staff also to give their 100% to become a successful taking sessions in this lockdown period also. In fact, in this pandemic, they had managed everything smoothly and properly. To be honest, I feel very proud. I feel very, very proud and heartiest proud to be a part of IBMR College. Thank you.
And I am pursuing MBA plus PGPM from IBMR Gurgaon. Being a part of IBMR has been a matter of pride for me. IBMR has given us the platform to explore our skills. We have been provided with the various growth opportunities such as the summer internship program in the very first year of our college. IBMR has an active placement cell that helps the students to secure good job and internship opportunities. I am currently working as an HR intern in Bridge Group Solutions. And my other batchmates are doing internship with the companies like the Times of India, the Capital Box, Inspire Private Limited, Outlook Group, the White Hat Junior, etc. IBMR has a very encouraging studying system. Different assignments, case studies, projects, PowerPoint presentations are given to us to explore to enhance our effectiveness. IBMR provides us with the teaching along with the corporate exposure. The faculty here is enriched with the great knowledge of corporate as well as the teaching. Our college has made learning possible even through the online mode. Various sessions are organized by our college, which is a great source of knowledge. I would definitely like to say that I have learnt a lot from IBMR, and IBMR is providing me with a great exposure. Thank you so much.
And I did my postgraduate diploma in management from IBMR Business School, where my specialization is in marketing and HR. IBMR is one of the best business schools that I came across, and my journey in IBMR was really incredible. The faculty in IBMR are so cooperative and so friendly. They are always be there for us to mentor and guide me through all of the aspects if I'm having any kind of doubt regarding any of the topics. The faculty is there. It helped me throughout all of the practicals, like how to deal with the corporate sector, how to give the interview, and how to behave in an interview, and how to behave as a professional person for the corporate world. Thank you IBMR for providing me such a great knowledge and such a great skills through which I can crack any of the interviews right now. With the help of the IBMR, I got an opportunity to work in a Vedantu as an academic counselor. Thank you IBMR for making the person that I am today. Thank you so much.
And I am pursuing MBA from IBMR Institute of Management and Research in Finance and Marketing. As all we know that COVID has affected us very badly, and we have lost our loved ones. Due to this, many have lost their jobs and unemployment ratio is its peak. Being an MBA student, it is very important for us to get an internship under good and reputed company, so then it will build our resume and get benefit in future and get placement in a good company. Virtual classes has good and best tool to teach students in this pandemic situation. Many things were going virtually, like work from home, everything is going virtually, and IBMR has taken this initiative very effectively and efficiently, and I am being prouded as I am the student of IBMR. Our classes were going online, exams also done by online. Now, we all were getting the internship opportunity with reputed companies like Bridge Group Solutions, Outlook, Inflow, Capital Box, and many more. We were learning new things and getting experience from them. It is a great thing for me, and this builds my confidence level. I would especially thanks to IBMR and teachers, management to providing us these opportunities, and this will help in our future and give much benefit. Thank you.
Currently, I'm pursuing MBA plus PGPM in Finance and Marketing from Institute of Business Management and Research, Gurugram, Sector 33. Here we have supportive faculties with lots of experience in teaching and in corporate world. They always guide the students in best possible manner by providing conceptual as well as practical insights to the students. So as we all know that the situation is not good in the entire country due to this global pandemic, but for the sake of the growth of students, our placement coordinator is working very hard. IBMR helps in getting good companies to the campus regarding the internships, and the companies like the Capital Box, the Bridge Group Solution, the Times of India, Inflow, and many more companies are coming here for the internships. And it's a pleasure to tell you all that I have been selected as a finance intern in the Capital Box Private Limited. Here we are learning about various financial products like insurance, mutual funds, and the commodities in stock market and share market. And they are helping us in learning portfolio management and various strategies of risk management, and how to build a long-lasting relationship with your clients. So we are getting both practical and the theoretical knowledge in this company, through which we are making our concepts more stronger. So I would like to thank to the management, faculties, and our placement coordinator who are trying their level best to engage us in various different methodologies. So thank you so much, IBMR.
And I'm born and brought up in Delhi. Currently, I'm pursuing MBA from IBMR Gurgaon with Finance and Marketing as my specialization. And I've been graduated in Commerce from Delhi University and did my 10th and 12th from CBSE board. I believe in hard work. I can blend myself into different situations very easily, and I'm a proficient team player too. During the second semester of MBA, I did 2 internships. First, as a financial research intern with Talent Corner HR Private Limited, where my work was to collect the financial data of various companies of different sectors and do the financial analysis of it in Microsoft Excel and compile it into a report and submit to the company. Secondly, I worked as a social media marketing intern with Creator Shala, where my work was to pitch various bloggers through different social media platforms and convince them and influence them to join our community and showcase their talent here so that they could get a chance to collaborate with a big brand in the near future. During the on-campus placements, I was interviewed with Publicis Sapient, which is nearly a 3-decade-old company headquartered in USA. It is an American digital consulting company which help their clients in digitalizing their various business processes. With my hard work and determination, and by the guidance of our placement officer, I cruised through all the rounds of interviews and successfully cleared them all. And now I am placed in Publicis Sapient with a package of 5 lakh and will be working as an associate in global revenue operations, where my responsibility would be to administer the global client operations and contracting process, including financial, legal, and administrative processes. I would like to thank IBMR for giving me such a great opportunity, and by the grace of God and my hard work, I cruised through the process, and now I am going to start my corporate career ahead.